other countries, but in this country we have these stupid things called trams on the road. You can see the tracks next to me. They're like trains, but they go on the road. And all the way up there, about 40 odd car lengths up, there is a stupid fucking tram blocking all this traffic. They should ban trams. They are a lot less economical than buses to run, and they fucking slow down cars all the time. It has to be ignorant to take a tram these days, because all you're doing is slowing everyone down who's on the way to work or something. You can sort of see it just up there. I've been in this traffic for 20 minutes so far, all because of that tram. Stupid tram. There's the tram. Stupid thing. This one's going to be in my way for a while, I think. I don't know what he's trying to do. I just realised that tram's got its headlights on towards me now, so it's going to come forwards, or backwards, or whichever way you think of it. I'm in its way. This is the terminus. This is fucking bullshit. I pay $620 a year per fucking car to use the roads, and these stupid ignorant fat shits get in my way. No cunt will let me in. I'm just stuck here with tram facing me and I'm facing it. Fucking cunt. Finally I got past that stupid tram, and now hopefully the bloody train doesn't come. Fuck, I hate public transport. So many cars out there, why can't everyone just have a fucking car and get rid of all this wasted time and space? Let's see, these lights have stopped me for about 7 minutes. Oh, here we go, fucking beautiful, you cunt. There's another 10 minutes gone. Oh, at least people in other countries will be able to see what crappy trains look like. That just shits me, that fucking shits me. About half an hour of my life's been wasted because of public fucking transport now. Where is this fucking train? Trains aren't so bad, just trams which are just useless. They went out of fashion in the 1930s, they did. Oh, I caught myself 2 trains, yay! Forget which of my subscribers commented one day on traffic lights, but it made me laugh. He called them coloured shit sticks. I agree 100%. There's an old train. Nice to see an old train. Oh, now I've got to wait for my coloured shit stick to tell me I can go. Marvellous, there's a good coloured shit stick. I've got to try and make these lights down here before they change. I'm happy now. No more trams and trains where I'm going.